Welcome back. In our last video, we spent a lot of time looking at the independent practice options and the content available to students via Shmoop. In this video, we're going to look at a little bit more guided facilitation of test prep. So teachers setting up mechanisms to either gather student data or keep track of student progress in Shmoop. Now, we're going to turn to the classroom functions. I started on my Schoology homepage, clicked on the Shmoop for Schools link, and that led me to my Shmoop dashboard. From there, we're going to spend the rest of this video looking at the classrooms function, what we can do to sign students up, check their data progress, and then also have a short discussion on how we can use that data for differentiation. So let's get started by clicking Create a Classroom. I'm going to call my classroom training. My license for the South Carolina Virtual School should be the default, and that'll give me access to the 81 different test prep products, at least for the school year 17-18. And what I'm going to do here is turn on ACT exam prep and then SAT, because in this school year our students were given the option of ACT or SAT as our school accountability test. Now you'll notice I've landed on the Manage tab, which tells me my class roster as well as lets me know what content I've assigned to this class. I also see a class code, and my class code here will be used to tell my students how to sign up for this classroom so that I can track and manage their data and assignments respectively. I would stray away from the upload and invite students option because those two options require you to type out every student's email address. And using the class code and your school email address, students can sign up independently on their own. So they would use that link on their Schoology homepage, sign in to Shmoop, and then on their Shmoop dashboard they would see an option to join a classroom. They'll input that information and then you can track their progress in this classroom. Now I've jumped to the overview page of another classroom because I'm going to need some students in my classroom and some data to show you these next features. The overview page is a very quick look at your classroom, how many students are enrolled, but most importantly your classroom code. So if you didn't get it the first time around or a student asks to join your Shmoop classroom, this is where to find that classroom code again.